Hello and welcome back. It's Lois here. Today it'll be a quick tour through one of my working sketchbooks. By this I mean it's a sketchbook that I used for mixed media for working out ideas, thumbnail sketches, tonal sketches, and just ideas to see whether they're going to work for paintings. I hope you enjoy having a look at some of the processes that I go through before I end up with a finished painting. I'm hoping to record a sky tutorial later this weekend, but I'm having a bit of trouble with my internet connection, so we'll just have to see if I can manage it. Hopefully I'll be back in a day or two with a new sky tutorial. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy seeing some of my working sketches, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up as it helps my reach. And many thanks again, and have a lovely weekend. See you soon.